Kanino kaya yan mapupunta? Kasi meron, 5 more, makakabuo kami ulit ng isa.
Oo, may 13 na, no?
Baka bukas.
So hi guys, I'm Andrew and welcome back to my channel. Yes, so ngayon nga is nandito kami sa Quezon City. Yes, dahil magbo-birthday dinner kami mami. Hindi na mami O. At si mami O and si Jamie is pumunta muna sa birthday party ng friend ni Jamie. So ngayon nandito kami sa Shangri-La. At waiting namin sila mami O. And then mag-iikot-ikot muna kami dito ni Balong. Pero bago yon, mag-ano muna kami. What we call this, merienda. Because ang oras na is 1:44 PM na hindi pa kami kumakain. These are first meal. So nag-ramen muna kami. Favorite ko na to guys. Itong QQ Ramen 99. Favorite ko na siya. Simula nung natikman namin ni Mama sa SM Rosario. So grabe, super sarap. Ang in-order ko sa kanila yung ramen with corn and cheese. Tapos na may chebering. Then, ayan. Eto din. Meron tayo dito. Ang tawag dito na? Gyoza. So, meron kaming gyoza. Then, si Balong is nag-ramen din siya. Itong ramen. Ramen. So, piga na picture mo na. So, we're so very excited na matikman ng ramen. Let's eat everyone. Si Balong kasi sinipon siya kasi aircon. So, tikman natin ang kanilang gyoza. Gyoza ba ito?
Gyoza.
Mahusay siya. Na kanilang ramen with cheese, ability, and with egg. Ay, ang sarap. Mahusay. Mahusay. Ramen muna kami ngayon, walang rice.
Opo guys.
Ang sarap.
Sinisipon ko ako.
Nipon si Balong sa aircon.
Paborito nyo to, di ba? QQ.
Pangalawang beses ko pa lang to. Diba? Ang bongga. Dati ang ninakain ko ng ramen kasi Ramenagi. Walang Ramenagi sa SM Rosario. Meron lang ramen keme. So tinikman ko siya. Sarap.
Okay, nasa masarap.
Diba worth it? 99 pesos mo.
Chika muna nandito tayo sa
Shangri-La.
Shangri-La. Joke ka, guys.
So, ayun guys, kakain muna kami. And then, after neto, mag-ikot-ikot muna kami para, you know, window shopping. Para, mag-window shopping sa Shangri-La. Eh, ikaw.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Zara. Nandito kami sa Zara. Hello. So, nandito kami sa Zara ngayon dahil bumibili si Mami O ng damit niya.
At ni Jamie.
At ni Jamie. Kabog si Jamie, nagcha-shopping siya today. Jamie, say hi to my vlog.
Opo.
Oh, where's your damit?
Ito.
Oh, pakita mo. Eh, si Mami O, hi, me.
Hi, I'm back.
Yes.
Yung pang-check outfit ko, yung pants ko, pati yung K-pop Demon Hunters
Wow.
sweater ko. So if you want K-pop Demon Hunters, go to H&M
Sample.
and
What's the
Shangri-La.
song
We're not
you
in
want?
H&M, we're in Zara.
If you watch K-pop Demon Hunters, go to Zara at Shangri-La. We have all in stock K-pop Demon Hunters sweaters.
What's your favorite song of Demon Hunter?
What it sounds like.
Can you sample a little bit?
My voice is up in lies. This is what it sounds like. Then I call up the colors stuck inside my head. I feel like the jaggy and see the light inside. Show me what's underneath. I find your harmony. The voice is up in lies. This is what it sounds like.
You don't like the Miami? Ay, this is your sweatshirt. Ito yung sweatshirt to ni Jamie. Oh, pak!
K-pop Demon Hunters, so
Ando,
you
ito yung
know
sa
that.
likod. Yes! You know that?
That's for 10 years old.
Sponsored siya.
Ito. Gusto ko yung atake ni Bakla, sabi niya. Yeah, if you watch the K-pop, yung Demon Hunters, and you go by here in parang siya natin.
What did you say? Ay, meron pa daw, Jamie! Ang dami mo shopping ka today. Can you see it to the vlog?
So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the K-pop Demon Hunters
Can I
eye.
see your, your t-shirt?
Wow.
Wow! Ay, it's nice. You don't want the other pink?
So I'm gonna show you where's the K-pop.
Oh, where's it is?
So follow me. Here's the K-pop.
You don't like that?
No,
You don't like that?
no. But this is the K-pop aisle.
This is the K-pop area. Oh, pinapromote niya sa promoter siya.
So I'm gonna explore the small area. Here is the small area.
The Minnie Mouse.
We're gonna
The strawberry.
we're gonna explore the girls first, then the boys aisle. So watch
For Christmas?
then watch the entire video
Yes.
and subscribe. Here's the big girls aisle. This is stitch, I like it. And follow me to the.
Oh, you don't
So
want
the
the
sec-
tag?
It looks like Chanel.
Ay, you have a, can I see your Chanel? Jamie have a Chanel bag. Wow. Oh, Chanel bag.
So I'm gonna show you guys where the other section is for the girls, even, and where Balong is at. This entire space
Where's Balong?
over here. Here's the big girl 7 years old aisle.
Sales lady ang atake na
And here's the other big girl. Mommy, that girl from Poveda.
Oh, yeah.
So here's the big girls aisle. And now we're gonna give you a tour at the boys area that I don't like.
The book that I don't like.
So here's
like the boys,
because these noise. Because like my dad. So these are the boys' clothes and the other ones.
Wow.
And here's are the other ones here to the other closet. And here are the jackets when you go to Japan.
Where's the mic?
Here.
Can you use the mic?
So then, where?
This is it.
Here is it.
The t-shirt,
And the panty.
the brief.
And this. And these. And the lastly, the big aisle. Here.
Kasi, bye.
Bye, Mike.
Dito kami sa perfume. Ito yung mabango sa kanila. Fashionable London. Super bango. It's nice. Ito siya.
Hello, little babies.
Ay?
I'm Greta. So I'll be the boss for today.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
So, hi guys. So, ngayon, dito kami sa Texas Roadhouse. So, dito kami dinner today. So, ang oras na is 7:22. So, kasi kakatapos ni Mami bumili ng gift para sa kanilang Christmas party and sa mga friend ni Jamie. So, kasama namin dito si Daddy Eric, si Mami Owen, si Jamie, and si Balong. So, we're so very excited to hear it here. First time ko kumain dito. May nakita kong gantong store sa Ayala, Evo City. Pumunta ako doon mag-isa. Oh. So, I'm so excited. And may free silang bread. Get mo yung bread nila. It's nice.
Bread
So, this is the bread.
Hindi pa may... Ano pa?
Ay, mainit. It's nice. May paano sila, complimentary food.
Contemporary.
Masarap. So, order lang kami ng food, then update namin kayo pag nandito na ang aming mga food down. So, ayun guys, after namin kumain, mag-Starbucks kami nila, Mami O.
Hi!
Thank you so much kay Mami O at kay Daddy Eric. Grabe.
The jet lag is in me. Sorry,
Jet lag pa
guys.
si Mami O kasi di ba galing siya Amerika. So, medyo ano pa si Mami O.
Medyo wasted pa ako, guys. Kaya medyo, non-functioning ng lola niyo. Pero,
Yes. So, pinapahula ko kay Mami O kung anong orderin ko eh.
yeah, sige, comment down below.
Comment down below guys kung sino makahula. May SB kayo sa akin. SB19. Ticket. O, mas mahal yun. Sa akin, coffee jelly. I'm so very excited. Thank you so much kila Eric din sa Starbucks committee, oh. Ayun, yung mga kinakolekta. Sana mga ganyan ko yun sa akin. Eh, ikaw. So, ayun guys. Nandito na ang aming mga drinks. So, meron akong coffee jelly. One of my favorite among the rest. Nandito ang coffee. Dito rin coffee ni Balong. And coffee ni Mami O. And guys, naka-redeem na rin si Mami O ng tumbler. Pangalawa na to, no? Pangatlo na to. Yung una ni Mami O is yung
Organizer.
Planner.
Binigay natin planner.
yung planner. Regalo niya sa mom niya sa US. Then yung pangalawa is
Baka may straw. Si Kuya Matt nag-claim eh.
oh, yung may straw. And then ito yung
Tumbler.
tumbler na ano. Tingnan natin. Buti ba tingnan natin? Tingnan na natin siya. Ano kaya yung tsura niya? Kung worth it ba yung 18? 18 na ano? Ay, yung gondo. Wala pa nga eh. Ay, ang cute! Glitters siya, oh. It's nice. Tignan niyo.
Kanino kaya yan mapupunta? Kasi meron, 5 more, makakabuo kami ulit ng...
Oo, may 13 na, no?
Baka bukas.
So, abangan nyo. Kasi sila, Mami, umahilig talaga sila sa kape. Sila de Eric, no?
Ako guys, hindi loyal ako sa 828.
Yes naman. Ba't ka pa magkakape kung meron ka namang coffee shop me, di ba? Kahit ako din eh. Di ba? Kasi pares lang naman yung kape, iba-iba eh. So, ayun guys, we're gonna enjoy the moment here in Shangri-La. So, very excited. So, mag-chill-chill muna kami dito guys. So, mag-transfer na din ako ng files para makapag-edit na. So, bye muna guys.